Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. Today, I would like to do a short tutorial on how to make this page that I'm showing you right now. This is called a product display page, which is a page that, well, pretty much displays a certain product. So before this page, there is product listing page, which shows more general of the products for a certain category. So maybe like shoes, clothes, and so on. And there's when you press like a certain shoe that you like, and this type of page shows up. This is what it is called. It's called a product display page. I'm sorry, product display page, which displays the shoe, the name of the shoe, and then like a little bit of the description of the shoe, or maybe a long description, depends on the websites or provider and or seller. On Adidas, they provide quite a detailed and a little long description of it, and different ones they display like only short ones, and they also display the price and the button to maybe add to cart or buy now, or maybe both. And so now I would like to do that tutorial using HTML and Tailwind CSS, and also regular CSS. So don't forget to install your Tailwind CSS, because it is not a built-in, it is an extension. So you can find maybe another tutorial out there, because that is not what our focus will be for today. So now let's just immediately get into it. So first you will open your workspace, your Visual Studio Code, and then make a new file or use an old file that you have used. So now I will be using a file that I'm currently working on. And also please don't forget to install a live server extension to make it easier for you to keep monitoring on how your website currently looks, or how the page looks. So after that, after you finish, make a new file, name it whatever you want. I would like to name it AE1PDP, or short for AE1, which is the name of the shoe product display page. So now you will press your left shift and then press 1. That will show the exclamation mark, and then just select the one exclamation mark, not the free exclamation mark. Oh my gosh, that is such a tongue twister. And then just press enter, and it will show this. And first of all, let's change the title into AE1, or maybe a product listing page, or whatever you like. And then what I usually like to use is just copy this code, this script source, and then link rel, href, and so on. And now under it, we will first make our custom or regular CSS. So this one will, of course, type in style, press enter again to just kind of make it look much more tidy. Or you can use the prettier extension, so just so it can help you. And then we will type in body, and then close. Alright, well, whatever you like to say it. And then let's type in background, only background, and then linear gradient. Find the linear gradient, press enter, and then type in 145 deg, or which stands for degrees, and then hashtag 22222. Yes, until somewhere around 6 or 28 twos, and then same thing, but this time I'm using 8. Hold on, give me a minute. Maybe too much 8. Hold on, let me try to see what's going on. Okay, that is right. Now, I used too many eights, and now first we'll be putting in some. After we finish with the background, oh yeah, don't forget to once you finish installing, there will be a go live button on the bottom right, on the bottom left right here. Just click it, and then we'll go to your browser and then open the page. So this page is only visible to you because you're the one who has access to the file. So anyone who have the file can click go live if they have live server, and then it will open the page. So maybe we can just start working while it loads. Now after you open your, just put inside the body before the closing arrow, and then just inside, so it's still one. So type in style, and then first type in flex, and then flex. Oh, no, sorry. Oh, only flex, and then flex strip call. Oh, okay, sorry, I was wrong. This one, why did I type in style? It's class. Yes, class. Flex call, and then items, strip center, and then justify between using strip again. After that, let's use H screen, and then I think it's if I'm not wrong, it's oh sorry, actually it's P strip 6, and that's it is. And now we can get into the code. Now we will type in we will make the item centered, the image of the item. So first we type in div, and then put that down there. After that, class flex grow flex, and then I think it was item center, and then justify this time center, and that it is. Okay, now after that we can continue to the contents, which first is image. The source is images, so you can make a image file and then put the image in here. So I have the image already, and please use a image that the background that is removed. So it's just use a background remover on the web, or maybe however you prefer it. And then search for the name of the file, which mine is AE1 background in removed. And also you can, to put the image into your file or workspace, you can just drag and drop, and then it will pretty much show something like I'm saying, like this, and then you can drag into here, and then after that you can use it. That is how I do it. There's maybe another way, but I don't know. I don't really know. So yeah. So, and then alt is the text that will show if the image it doesn't show or doesn't load. So, for example, display. Let's type in display image of Adidas AE1. So if it doesn't show, it will look so far it looks like this. Yes. I don't know why the background is not showing yet. I think I can say put that in. Still not working. Hold on, let me just correct it real quick. Okay, so after a little bit of researching and asking ChatGPT with the help of a little bit of AI, well, I finally found a solution. So after I tried this one, it seems to not be working. So I just kind of decided to, you know what, let's just use Tailwind for the background. So just behind, between, and in front of each screen, in the body, in the class Tailwind CSS code, at the body, we're gonna be typing BG, short for background, strip gradient, and then 2, and then BR, which means bottom right, and then type in from black to 2, let's say gray, 400, and it will pretty much look something like this. And yeah, I know there is a little bit of difference, but I cannot really be too flexible with this because it is in the Tailwind CSS. So if I try different things, it might just that might just, well, doesn't work, if you know what I mean. So I tried using 600, it's too dark. It's a 500, just a little bit too dark, in my opinion. Yeah, or maybe just not enough, kind of close, but still not enough. So I just decided to go with K400 because, well, it's kind of looks more or less a little bit more close, And so let's just continue. So after we finish these two, we can continue to write typing class, and then we can continue with max WM. Start with XS, okay, and then we type MD, and then max W is SM, and then last it's LG, and then max W MD. And so, what is the functions of the MD and the LG? So, the default is max WXS, and with the help of MD and LG, it can make your website more responsive. So, you can access it from mobile or maybe a smaller screen and so on. So, and also help make the size of the image of the shoes much smaller. And then let's type in style. I would like to make the shoe sideways. Yeah, kind of like sideways a little bit like something like looking down like this. Yeah, something like that, And if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna be using. Give me a minute. I think it was rotation or rotate. Actually, hold on. Give me a minute. Oh yeah. Actually no. After I checked, it's not rotate. I kind of forgot a bit, so I have to check. Sometimes I have to check, and then rotate, and then we just type in like 20 degrees or how you prefer it. I like it 20 degrees, so it will. Sorry. Negative 20 degrees, so it will look pretty much like this, and that is your shoe image done. And sorry, and now we can continue on to the description. This one, yeah, which first, the first is we make a new div, and div right there, like that, and then inside the div class. Okay, so it is sorry. So it's W full, and then oh my gosh, full. After that, it is W. MD. W 4.3, and then LG. W strip 1.2, which is a half, and then it's P6, P strip 6, and then PGB background white. After that, it's background opacity 90. It is shadow XL and rounded TXL. We will type in H1, which stands for heading 1, and then we will use class again, which is text for XL, and then it is font strip bold, text center, MB, and then MB4. After that is text gray. After that, in here we will type in Adidas AE1. AE1. Once again, we will be using class text strip LG, text gray 700, text center, and MB4. Oh my gosh. Type in, or maybe we just take it from here. Yes, I also use that for help sometimes. I already told you that. Just for fixing and so on, but I also sometimes use it to kind of help with the website, and that is for the description of let's say shoe of the shoe, yeah, and then making yet another div. We will use class flex justify between item center and Tailwind code. It is text free font bold green and 100. And we will type in the price, which is $120. That is from the official website. And then to finish it, we will make a button. Let's say first let's make the class. The background is yellow for 100. For the hover, it is background yellow but 300, so it's much brighter. And that is text gray 900. Font bold py underscore 2 px underscore 6 rounded lg. Is transition add duration 300, and then type in buy now on the button, and that showed how the page will look. Let's see, let's compare it. Yes, it's pretty much the same, just in the background a little bit difference. Okay, maybe that is all from me, everyone. I'm sorry if there is mistakes. Thank you for following my tutorial. Doa saya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.